Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna film this look for you all. This is basically a wedding guest makeup look as the wedding season is approaching, so I thought why not to film a look for you guys. This is really easy and a full glam look, as you guys can see. So without further wasting our time, let's just start the video. So guys, first of all, starting with the eyes, I'm gonna take this brow contouring kit from MaXfactor. Then I'm gonna take this darker shade and gonna make my eyebrows. So guys, now as I'm done with my eyebrows, now to prep my eyes, I'm gonna use this NYX Wonder Stick, and this has the contour shade and the highlight shade. So I'm gonna use the highlight shade to prep my eyelids and also to clean it, the eyebrows. The formula is really creamy. I love it. I'm gonna blend this with this wet beauty sponge. By the way, this sponge is from Real Techniques, if you guys are wondering. I love it because it has a bigger size और बहुत जल्दी से आपका face cover हो जाता है. So now to set my eyes, I am going to use some loose powder. So now moving towards the eyeshadows. For eyeshadows, I will be taking the blending brush of this kind. This is a bigger blending brush. So, and I will be taking this as my transition shade. This color as my transition shade, and then I'll be start applying it in my crease, slightly above my crease. I'm gonna show you guys. अब इसमें आपकी मोशन ये होनी चाहिए, लाइक बिल्कुल हल्का हाथ एंड 2 राउंड्स 1 अप, 2 राउंड्स 1 होल, जो पूरा होता है लाइक दिस. बिल्कुल हल्के हाथ से आपने करना होता है. लाइक डोंट बी एवर हार्श ऑन योर आईज विद योर आई शेडो, से ब्लेंड भी नहीं होता. सो लाइक दिस. आई होप यू गाइस कैन सी इट प्रॉपर्ली. And then I'm going to take this slightly orangish, burnt orange or brownish shade. I'm going to apply this slightly below the first color. अच्छा, अब हमने क्या करना है, अब हमने outer corner में what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking this brown shade right here. This is dark brown, and then I'm going to apply and mainly focus this on my outer corner. इसको मैं place करूँगी like this. Okay, now to cut my crease, I will be using the concealer brush. ठीक है, और कोई भी मैं concealer आप ले लें. I'm gonna take the same stick, और फिर मैं उससे the highlighting shade में लेके and I'll be cutting my crease. Here is the trick. I will not be setting the this concealer with the powder. वो इसलिए क्योंकि जब आप आई शेडोज़ की पिगमेंटेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा चाह रहे होते हैं ना, तो आपने उसको पाउडर से सेट नहीं करना होता. आप डायरेक्टली उस कंसीलर पे लगा दें तो उसकी पिगमेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी आती है. तो अब आई विल बी अप्लाइंग दिस gold shade. Now what? Firework. So I'll be applying this, not firework, it's queen, sorry, it's queen, and I'll be applying this on my lid with my finger. I love this shade. It's so creamy. I mean, you guys, oh my god. जो areas रह गए, I'll be using the brush to apply this color on that areas. So I'm gonna be using the flat brush. These eyeshadows are really creamy. Now I'm gonna take the same blending brush and I'm gonna just pat it here because जो outer corner पे जो shade था उसको इसके साथ merge करने के लिए we need to do this ताकि कोई lines अलग से ना आ रहे हो बुरा लगता है this ठीक है it's done. Now we're gonna take a pencil brush and gonna take this highlighting shade और इसको मैं अपनी brow bone पे लगाऊंगी. So I'm done with my lid. Now for eyeliner I'm taking this angled brush and I'm going to take this Inglot का gel liner and this is my love. I mean I'm so in love with this gel liner. बहुत अच्छा है. Like you guys can if you guys want any gel liner जो वाकई worth the money, this is the best one which I will recommend. I mean मेरी recommendation पे if you guys can get any तो आप ये ले लीजिए. This is so good, smudge proof, very black and so good. I mean so just we're gonna apply the liner. ये मुझे ज़रा चुप करके apply करना होगा. So guys, as my liner is on, so now I'll be back after doing my another eye. So guys, I am back. I'm done with my eyes. I have my eyelashes on. Now I'm moving towards the face. Now for face, what I am gonna be do is I've already prepped my face. I mean I have a moisturizer and primer on. Now for foundation today, I am going to be using this NYX Stay Matte but not flat foundation, and this is in the shade warm beige. So I'm gonna be taking this in like the back of my hand. Putting it this way on my face. So now as my foundation is blended, now for the concealer I am going to use this Maybelline's Age Revived concealer, and this is in the shade light. ये मैं इसीलिए लेके गई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आई शेडोज को क्लीन करना था और फिर मैं अब उसी वेट ब्यूटी स्पंज से इसको ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. So guys, now as my concealer is all blended, now to set my face I am going to use this Kryolan's loose powder, and this is in the shade TL11. By the way, I love this setting powder क्योंकि मेरे face पे ये बहुत सूट करता है and it works well, so yeah, why not. So guys, now as I have set my face, so now for contouring I am going to use the same stick, NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm going to use the contouring shade which looks kinda like this, and I'm going to apply this on the areas जहाँ पे मुझे contour करना होता है. This has a really creamy formula. I'm impressed. This is the first time I'm using it, by the way. Yeah. So now I'm gonna blend this with the beauty sponge. Okay, now as I have blended my contour, now for bronzing my face I am using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. इसमें से I am gonna be taking this bronzing shade and I'm gonna be bronzing my face. Now to give some dimensions to my face, harshness एक थोड़ी सी sleek सी एक cheek line देने के लिए मैं स्पंज लूँगी and I will be taking the loose powder और मैं एक line draw करूँगी, like you guys will see. और एक शार्प सी लाइन दे देता है जिससे आपका फेस बहुत चिजल्ड लगता है. So now for the blush, I will be using this blush from Sleek Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. I love this. I just love this. Look at this. So with this brush is from Beautify by Amna, I will be blushing my cheeks. As this is a wedding guest makeup look, so I'm going slightly overboard with my blush. Now for the highlighter, I will be taking this highlighting brush, and then I will be using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. टूट चुका है, I'm sorry, but I love it. Look. Oh my god. Just look at the shine. Just look at the highlighter result. हाइलाइटर के साथ तो मैं पागल ही हो जाती हूँ ना, लाइक पागल ही हो जाती हूँ. अब मैं क्या करूँगी, अब आई एम टेकिंग दिस ब्रश और मैं उस पाउडर को जो मैंने अप्लाई किया था, आई विल बी डस्टिंग दैट ऑफ. सो नाउ आई होप यू गाइस कैन सी दिस. दिस इज व्हाट यू डू. Now moving towards, I'm done with my face, I am done with my eyes. The most exciting part is lips. For lips, I am going to be using this MaXfactor key lip pencil, and this is in the shade Red Rush, 10 Red Rush. And to fill in my lips, I will be using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Copenhagen, and this is a really pretty shade. I am in love with it, like you guys will see in a bit. So guys, I am done with my lips also. This is how it looks. It is really pretty color. So I will be back. I'm done with my makeup. I will be back with my finished look in a while. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you like this look, and please, if you like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon below so that you will get to know whenever I will upload a new video. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.